knee pain, busy schedule, you can burn fat in just 15 minutes with zero jumping and zero impact on your knees. This is the workout I built for people who want results without the pain. Welcome to this 15-minute low-impact fat burn workout. This session is designed for beginners and all fitness levels, especially if you have knee sensitivity or prefer joint-friendly cardio. Low impact means no jumping, no pounding, just controlled movements that protect your joints while still burning calories effectively. You'll need no equipment, just enough space to move safely. Here's how it works. 6 exercises, 60 seconds of walk, 15 seconds of rest. We'll complete 2 full circuits with 60 seconds of rest between them. Listen to your body, modify as needed, and let's get started. Step touch. Feet together. Step out to the side and bring the other foot to meet it. Keep your knees soft and stacked over your ankles. Chest up. Core braced. Breathe steady. Right, left, left. Nice and light on your feet. Level 1. Take smaller steps or march in place instead. You're warming up the legs and waking up the body. Keep it smooth. Seconds. Stay with me. Finish strong. Good. Rest. Shake out your arms and legs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Water if you need it. Next up, we are waking up the hips and your balance. Standing knee drive, right leg. Stand tall. Drive your right knee up to hip height toward the left. Then, lower it back down. Keep your core tight so you don't lean back. Driving the knee sideways and up. Controlled, not fast. Level 1. Lift your knee just a little. Half height is perfect. Engage your core to support your lower back. Nice and stable. Ten seconds. Keep that rhythm. Great work. Rest. Shake it out. We'll hit the other side now. Standing, knee drive, left leg now. Left knee up and down. Same smooth rhythm. Knees stacked over your ankle, hips level. Don't rush it. Control is what builds strength. Level 1. Smaller lift or tap your toe instead. Breathe out as you lift. Core braced. Seconds. Finish the set. You're doing great. Rest up. Big breath in and out. Now we're adding a little speed. Side to side punch. Step side to side and punch across your body as you move. Punch from the hips, not the shoulders. Let your core do the work. Light on your feet. Keep your wrist straight. Level 1. Smaller steps and lighter punches. Just the arms. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed. Ten seconds. Nice pace. Keep going. Rest. You've earned it. Breathe in steadily. We're halfway through the first round. Step jacks. Step one foot out, then the other, and step them back together. No jumping. It looks like a jumping jack, but we keep both feet on the floor. Soft knees. Land like you're stepping on eggshells. Level 1. Tiny steps. Belly wider than your hips. Keep the arms moving for a little extra burn. Seconds. Finish strong. Rest. Shake it out. One more exercise and we complete round 1. Squat to reach. Sit back like you're aiming for a chair. Then stand up and reach for the ceiling. Press through your whole foot. Heels down. Keep your knees stacked over your ankles. Don't let them cave in. Level 1. Squat down just a little or skip the reach. Breathe out as you stand. Glutes and legs working. Seconds. Excellent work. Round 1 is done. Big breath in and out. If you're finding this helpful, take a second and hit subscribe. It helps me keep making beginner-friendly workouts for you, and it costs you nothing. Now, round 2. Same 6 exercises, same steady pace. You've already proven you can do this. Here we go. Step touch, feet together, step out and bring it back in. Chest up, core braced, knees soft, nice and light. You know this one now. Level 1, smaller steps if you need them. seconds. Smooth finish. Rest. Great pace. Keep your breathing steady. Standing, knee drive, right leg. Knee up to hip height and down. Controlled. Core tight. Don't lean back. Level 1. Half height is perfect. Ten seconds. Finish strong. Rest. Shake out the legs. Standing, knee drive. Left leg now. Left knee up and down. Same smooth rhythm. Knee stacked, hips level. Level 1. Tap the toe instead. Ten seconds. Great control. Rest. Breathe in and out. Side to side punch. Step and punch across the body. Power from your core. Light feet. Wrists straight. Level 1. Lighter punches. Smaller steps. Seconds. Keep the pace. Rest. Halfway through the final round. Step jacks. Step out. Step together. No jumping. Soft knees. Land light. Level 1. Tiny steps. 10 seconds. You're nearly there. Rest. One exercise left. You've got this. Last one. Squat to reach. Sit back. Stand up. Reach for the ceiling. Press through the whole foot. Heels down. Knees stacked. Breathe out as you stand. Ten seconds. Give it everything you have left. And finish. That's the full workout. Excellent work. Great job. You did it. A full 15 minutes. Take a moment now to cool down. Work it out for a minute or two and stretch your quads, hamstrings, and calves. For the best results, repeat this workout 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency beats intensity every time. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying "done" so I know you finished. Thank you for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Keep moving, keep growing.
And watch this next workout.